welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something that will make every muscle car enthusiast's heart race. The imagined rebirth of an American icon, the 2026 Plymouth Barracuda. While Plymouth as a brand has been dormant for decades and there's no official word from Stellantis about its return, we're going to talk as if it's here, in the flesh, ready to rumble, and imagine what a modern Barracuda could look, feel, and drive like if it rolled out of the factory tomorrow. From the moment you see it, the car's presence demands attention. The stance is low and wide, wearing an aggressive posture that hints at both speed and heritage. The front end greets you with a menacing cowl induction hood, modern LED headlights framed in a housing that subtly nods to the Barracuda's early 1970s predecessors, and a grille that blends modern aerodynamic shaping with those signature retro horizontal slats. A sculpted front splitter ties it all together, improving airflow while giving the car a planted, track-ready look walking along the side. The design feels like a love letter to the golden age of muscle cars, but filtered through a modern lens. The proportions are perfect: long hood, fastback roofline, and those pronounced rear haunches that scream power. Flared fenders house massive 20-inch performance wheels wrapped in sticky rubber, and a sharp, muscular body crease runs from the front wheel arch, fading just before the tail, creating an unbroken sense of motion even when the car is still. Chrome details are minimal but carefully placed, outlining the windows and accentuating the classic silhouette without pulling it into the realm of over-designed. At the back, things get even more exciting. A wide LED light bar stretches from one side to the other, breaking only in the center to display the Plymouth badge. The taillights take inspiration from the triple-segment design of vintage Barracudas, but are given a sleek, futuristic edge. The rear bumper integrates a functional diffuser, and quad exhaust outlets on each side sit neatly at the edges, ready to let the engine's soundtrack sing. Above it all, a ducktail spoiler is molded into the trunk lid, a subtle yet aggressive cue that serves as both style and functional downforce. Step inside, and you're greeted by a cabin that masterfully blends old-school muscle car soul with cutting-edge technology. The seats are deeply bolstered and upholstered in a mix of premium leather and Alcantara, with retro-inspired stitching patterns that subtly echo the original Barracuda's interior. The dashboard stretches wide, with a fully digital driver display that can toggle between a futuristic high-tech layout or a throwback analog-style gauge cluster for those who love nostalgia. In the center console, a large infotainment screen sits seamlessly among real, tactile metal switches and dials, keeping that hands-on, mechanical feel alive. The steering wheel is a thick, flat-bottomed unit with integrated performance controls, and the shifter, whether manual or automatic, feels substantial and purposeful in hand. Under the hood, this imagined 2026 Barracuda would offer a choice of two main powertrains. The entry-level performance model could feature a naturally aspirated 6.4-liter Hemi V8 producing well over 500 horsepower, more than enough for serious thrills while staying true to the muscle car formula. But for the hardcore enthusiasts, the top trim would house a supercharged 6.2-liter Hemi pushing 720 horsepower or more, delivering a 0 to 60 time in the low 3-second range and a quarter mile in under 11 seconds. A 6-speed manual would be standard for purists, while an advanced 8-speed automatic with lightning-fast shifts would be optional. Rear-wheel drive would be the default, but for those in harsher climates, a performance-tuned all-wheel drive system could be available without diluting the car's aggressive character. Of course, raw power is only part of the equation. The 2026 Barracuda would ride on an adaptive magnetic suspension system, allowing it to switch from comfortable cruising to razor-sharp handling at the push of a button. Massive Brembo brakes would provide confidence at high speeds, and multiple drive modes would tailor throttle response, steering weight, exhaust note, and suspension stiffness to suit your mood, whether you're carving back roads or simply rolling down Main Street with the windows down. In terms of pricing, a base V8 Barracuda could start in the high $40,000 range, making it competitive with modern muscle rivals like the Ford Mustang Dark Horse and Chevrolet Camaro SS. The high-performance supercharged model would push into the $75,000 to $80,000 bracket, bringing it into battle with the Dodge Challenger Hellcat, and even brushing against the lower end of the Corvette range. Given the performance and heritage on offer, it would represent solid value for what it delivers. Now, while this is all speculation, it's worth saying that if a car like this ever did reach production, it would have the power to reignite Plymouth's legacy in a way that could pull both older muscle car fans and a whole new generation of enthusiasts into showrooms. It would need to be bold, unapologetic, and willing to stick to its roots while embracing enough technology to stay relevant in an era that's moving rapidly toward electrification. And that brings us to the big question: would this Barracuda go electric? Some argue that to survive, even muscle cars will need to go hybrid or fully electric. Personally, I think the Barracuda name deserves at least one full gas-powered run before considering that transition. The soul of the Cuda has always been tied to the roar of a combustion engine, the tactile feel of shifting gears, and the thrill of raw power under your right foot. So, picture it, you're behind the wheel, V8 rumbling, the road stretching ahead, and that unmistakable fastback shape reflected in shop windows as you pass by. Whether it's parked at a show or flying down the quarter mile, this 2026 Plymouth Barracuda would be more than just a car. It would be a statement. A reminder that even in a world of EVs and autonomous tech, there's still room for something loud, proud, and deeply human. If you enjoyed this deep dive into what a modern Barracuda could be, make sure to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. Would you want one in your garage? Would you go for the naturally aspirated V8 or the supercharged monster? And more importantly, do you think Stellantis will ever have the courage to bring Plymouth and the Barracuda back? Until next time, keep dreaming, keep driving, and keep the muscle alive.